Hi, my name is Chris, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of receptive practice, but today we're going to be practicing our numbers. So let's go ahead and practice the basics. In this video, I'm going to be assigning to you 3 different numbers in ASL. And each time I assign a number, if you understand it, go ahead and pause the video really quick and you can type your answer down in the comments. At the end of this video, I'll be sure to provide to you the answers to all 3 numbers so you can check your answers afterwards. So just as a really quick hint, each number that I'm going to be assigning to you is 2 digits long. So here's the first one. One more time. Okay, here comes the second one. One more time. All right, and here is the last number. And one more time. Okay, so those are all 3 numbers, and the numbers were 37, 67, and 86. And feel free to go ahead and let me know how you did in the comments down below. And if you would like to go ahead and brush up on how to sign your numbers in ASL, you can check out this playlist right over here. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.